Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford and I'll be taking you around this approved used Motor Match vehicle. Today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Mercedes-Benz C Class 2.1 C250d Sport Premium G-Tronic 4MATIC, which is a diesel automatic, and this vehicle is ULEZ compliant and is finished in obsidian black metallic. To start off with, then you have your LED high performance headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with this, you also have 17-inch 5 twin-spoke alloy wheels finished in Himalayas grey, really complementing the obsidian black exterior colour. Moving to your boot, you have an electronic boot lid, and once open you can find that you could easily fit in a medium-sized suitcase or perhaps several bags of shopping. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the black Art Eco leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away for that fifth passenger. Moving in through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel and infotainment system, and as we pan round again you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This vehicle has a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the car, giving the cabin a nice light feel. The front seats are electronically adjustable, allowing you to find a comfortable position, and then once you have done that you are also able to save it, as they are also memory seats and as well as being heated. On your multifunctional steering wheel you have your volume controls, hands-free options, and located on your steering column you are able to find your cruise control with a speed limiter, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at the dash, you can see that this vehicle has done 46,707 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system you have everything you need, including your navigation system, allowing you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. You also have your DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. You have Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. And you also have a rear view camera, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. Moving to your climate control, you have a dual zone climate control, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as adjust the airflow in the air. RAC extended warranty is available. All our vehicles are subject to a £150 administration fee. Included in this is a provenance check. For more information you can call us on 01785 899 474 or inquire online now.